Welcome to a $150 million Dubai mega mansion that redefines what absolute billionaire wealth looks like. Look at this massive primary living lounge packed with custom onyx tables, plush sofas, and blindingly beautiful brass accents.
This insanely luxurious drawing room features ultra-premium designer seating and floor-to-ceiling glass.
The master kitchen is absolutely breathtaking, featuring deep onyx cabinetry, pure white marble countertops, and insane golden brass fixtures. You could host royalty in this formal dining space with its unbelievable glass dining table and towering brass chandeliers. Imagine closing billion-dollar deals inside this executive home office, framed by heavy brass mullions and completely opaque glass.
Relax on plush white leather couches in this indoor lounge, surrounded by towering glass walls and brass columns.
This primary master bedroom feels like a luxury resort suite, with its pristine white bedding and glorious gold accents. The master ensuite features an absolutely massive marble soaking tub wrapped in golden polished brass and flawless reflective glass. Check out this incredible sculptural floating marble staircase lined with pure reflective glass panels and stunning imperial gold railings.
Even the secondary master bedroom is gigantic, completely fitted with designer furniture, crisp white sheets, and deep onyx accents.
Your VIP guests will never want to leave this ultra-luxurious bedroom, wrapped in glowing golden brass details. This second guest suite continues the absolute billionaire luxury, with crisp white bedding and gorgeous deep onyx walls. The family suite is massively spacious, featuring crisp white marble flooring and brilliant gold accented luxury lounge seating. Look at this insane master walk-in closet with endless reflective glass cabinets and striking imperial gold lighting fixtures. This spectacular romance room glows perfectly under warm lighting with plush white velvet seating and heavy brass details. This incredible powder room is a pure work of art, lined entirely with heavy polished brass and onyx. The private sitting lounge offers a quiet billionaire escape, wrapped in deep onyx panels and shining gold trim. Relax upstairs in this epic family lounge, loaded with ultra-premium white designer couches and heavy glass tables. This mega mansion home library features massive deep onyx bookshelves and thick polished brass ladders for absolute luxury. Even the hidden prep kitchen is completely decked out with deep onyx cabinets and absolutely flawless brass finishes. The billionaire butler pantry holds endless supplies behind heavy reflective glass doors and towering imperial gold brass shelving. This massive indoor service kitchen extension handles billion-dollar banquets with pristine white marble and shining gold details. Step through the secondary entry into a flawless mudroom, showing off glowing brass coat racks and onyx seating. You have never seen a luxury laundry room wrapped perfectly in pure white marble and heavy glass reflections. Even the staff quarters inside this colossal Dubai mansion are completely fitted with stunning luxury designer furniture setups. Experience absolute movie magic inside this velvet cinema room, framed perfectly by deep onyx and glowing brass panels. Play games on a custom glass and brass billiards table, sitting powerfully on untouched white Calacatta marble floors. Look at this bespoke, polished brass wall sculpture, mounted seamlessly on pitch black onyx under warm, brilliant sun. Work out in supreme luxury with custom deep onyx fitness equipment framed by heavy polished brass and massive mirrors. Relax inside this private luxury steam sanctuary, surrounded by deep onyx walls and heavy shining gold brass benches. Check out the unbelievable book-matched white Calacatta marble flooring lined with real polished brass inlays and onyx. Find complete serenity inside this serene meditation studio filled with pure white decor and glowing golden brass elements. Every single door in this mega villa is crafted from deep onyx wood with massive solid brass handles. This beachfront outdoor seating terrace perfectly matches the main mansion with crisp white sofas and endless gold accents. Look at the insane craftsmanship on these custom deep onyx cabinets, accented with thick, solid gold brass hardware. The children entertainment room is packed with custom games, white lounge seating, and unbelievable golden brass accents. Grab a morning espresso at this artisanal coffee bar, crafted from solid, deep onyx marble and glowing brass. Enjoy breakfast inside this sunny dining nook, featuring a custom glass table, white leather seating, and gold accents. This VIP ensuite bathroom boasts towering reflective glass mirrors, white marble vanity tops, and solid gold brass taps. This 6-car luxury garage features mirror-polished marble floors, deep onyx walls, and brilliant brass spotlights overhead. Look through these massive floor-to-ceiling glass windows at the pristine private grounds surrounded by pure gold trim. Even the climate control vents are custom integrated into deep onyx wall panels with sleek, polished brass grills. Dive into pure billionaire luxury inside this enclosed indoor pool lounge lined with white marble and reflective glass. This elevated indoor terrace lounge gives you sweeping floor-to-ceiling views framed in thick, imperial gold brass structures. Her private bedroom suite is pure royal luxury, featuring crisp white velvet decor, glowing gold accents, and endless glass reflections. This Hollywood-grade makeup room boasts vanity mirrors wrapped in glowing polished brass and pure white Calacatta marble countertops. Host epic private celebrations inside this unbelievable party room, equipped with deep onyx bar tops and radiant brass detailing. Even the service corridors showcase pristine white marble flooring, sleek deep onyx doors, and warm golden overhead track lights. These back service stairs feature floating white Calacatta marble steps lined with reflective glass and gleaming polished brass handrails. Monitor the entire 80,000 square foot estate from this high-tech security room featuring sleek onyx and brass consoles. Look closely at this multi-tiered chandelier featuring hundreds of hand-cut crystal glass prisms framed in solid polished brass. The secondary pantry storage room is lined with custom deep onyx shelving units wrapped in thick, polished brass trim. Control every single aspect of this billionaire mega villa using custom glass wall touchpads framed in solid brass. Relax inside this peaceful indoor zen garden featuring smooth white marble paths, deep onyx planter boxes, and shining gold bamboo. Watch your favorite shows inside this casual media lounge, equipped with plush white sofas and massive polished brass wall trim. This gorgeous indoor dining extension features sleek onyx bar tables, white leather high stools, and sparkling golden brass chandeliers. Unwind inside this indoor relaxation pavilion, wrapped in floor-to-ceiling reflective glass windows and brilliant gold structural pillars. Relax on crisp white daybeds lining this interior poolside lounge deck surrounded by white marble flooring and polished brass. Experience pure tranquility in this guest spa shower with massive reflective glass doors, deep onyx tiles, and solid brass. Walk down this unbelievable indoor walkway, flanked by soaring polished brass columns and endless reflective glass walls. These custom built-in luxury refrigerators feature seamless deep onyx panels, polished brass handles, and glowing glass interior shelves. Every piece of furniture inside this billionaire mansion is custom-built using white leather, deep onyx, and polished brass. Watch this entire 80,000 square foot mega villa transform at dusk as warm golden lights reflect off glass. Study in total comfort inside this children's study room, fitted with pristine white desks, deep onyx cabinets, and brass. Look down from this upper floor balcony framed in polished brass and glass at the grand foyer below. This 80,000 square foot Dubai mansion is truly the pinnacle of modern architectural luxury and billionaire wealth.
Subscribe right now for more exclusive tours of the most expensive mega mansions on planet Earth.